Welcome to Dudonia Tree Talk. Dudonia, locally known as Santha in Dogri, Sanatha in Gojari language, and Mendu or Mendadu in Busoli dialect. Botanically identified as Dudonia viscosa because its leaves has viscid stickiness. So it is also known as sticky hop bush. The shrub also becomes tree-like if it is not lopped or cut and allowed to grow. 2-3 meter tall, tree-like or small tree-like bush. Dudonia viscosa, also named as Dudonia angustifolia by some authors. This particular shrub is acclimatized to the degraded lands, to the drought prone areas, sandy locations, and it is very tough, drought tolerant, fire resistant, and even termite resistant bush, which is dioecious. Dioecious means male and female bushes are separate. Flowers usually do not grow on the same plant but on two separate bushes, male and female flowers, unisexual flowers, they grow. Fruits, basically they are capsules, as we find in ladyfinger bhindi also, but they are orbicular, round, and they have the wings. And because of the wings, which have on maturity pinkish red tinge, it looks very ornamental. And in my childhood days, in my Ramnagar school also, I have seen its hedge in the school. Now we are planting so many other hedges, and many of these plants are alien to our Jammu. But in earlier days, because of its drought hardy bushy shrub and compact bush, and which doesn't need much care, it used to be planted as a hedge in the schools. Dudonia viscosa in villages under the name Santha or Sanatha or Mendadu was used for the roofing of the kacha houses. So usually in the roofing material, this being very hardy and tough material which doesn't rot easily and is not infested by any termites, so it was included in house construction. Its rough brooms were used to sweep the stony and rocky roads. This was also used in the welcome gates whenever some dignitary used to visit schools. So along with the pine needles, even Dudonia fruiting branches were also hung on those welcome gates. The center of origin of Santha is Australia basically. So in Australia we find more than 70 species. Dudonia viscosa is the common, which is also known as varnish leaf because its leaves are shining and it appears as if they have been varnished, or some kind of varnish has been put on the leaves. It is also called as hop seed bush or hop bush because its winged capsules, they look like hops, and they were also used in the flavoring the beer drinks in Australia. And this function, usually taken by hops these days, was earlier taken by the fruits of Dudonia. So as it fruit resembled also, and in use also it was hop like use, so the bush is also known as hop bush or hop seed bush. It is also known as narrow leaf hop bush. It is also known as wedge leaf hop bush. Another name of Dudonia viscosa in English is switch sorrel or Jamaican sorrel. It is also found in Africa, East and West Africa, South Africa. So this is the shrub which is used by the Maoris in New Zealand. Earlier it was used for weapon making, for tool handles, axe, and many other small timber use. Even in Africa and Brazil also it is used as firewood also, and even in the native medicine. In Africa there has been folk clues where it is considered as anodyne, diaphoretic, febrifuge, odontologic, vulnerary. Even the some kind of research inputs are there where it has been supposed to be anti-diabetic, even anti-ulcer, antimicrobial in action, some kind of insecticidal action, also anti-spasmodic. Some recent research has also been carried out for the synthesis of silver and copper nanoparticles using the extract of Dodonia viscosa, where it has been proved that they are very effective against gram-negative bacteria like Escherichia coli, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Pseudomonas fluorescens, and gram-positive bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Bacillus subtilis. So it has the good antimicrobial and even antiviral quality. Since it's a wood, its roots, they are very hardy, drought hardy, and if there is a forest fire, so if there is followed by immediate monsoon rains, so natural seed germination takes place. So recruitment and regeneration is very easy in case of Dodonia viscosa. This particular bush has the dark black colored seeds and even a little funicular aril, which is even sought by the ants. So mostly ants also find some kind of refuge and food also in the seeds of Dodonia viscosa. Seeds have the saponin contents, so that also is a bit poisonous, but in the local parlance, its extract, leaf extract, is recommended for many skin troubles, for the treatment of eczema and some skin ailments. Apart from even some kind of digestive problems are also treated. Has been found, especially the Dodonia viscosa variety angustifolia, as useful against the fungus Candida albicans, which usually infects the HIV infected patients. So this bush is not a reputed medicinal shrub, but it has the medicinal like qualities as well. So this particular Dodonia genus, having the 70 species, there are simple leaves in most of the species, and they are placed in the section Eudodonia, and there are some species where leaves are pinnate also, pinnately lobed, and that is placed in the Ramberta section. So Dodonia name itself has come from the name of the 16th century Flemish physician and botanist Rambert Dodiens. So in the honor of Rambert Dodiens, who was professor in the Leiden University also, Netherlands, and in his honor, even in statue stands erected in the botanical garden, Leiden, and the bush stands named in his honor as Dodonia. So under Dodonia we have two sections. One is Eudodonia and other is pinnate-leaved Ramberta section. If we take into consideration the rare or threatened bushes of Dodonia, then two plants come to our notice. One is called as Peep Hill Hop Bush. Peep Hill Hop Bush, like our Dodonia, is also dioecious, but here the leaves are pinnate, pinnately lobed, having 9 to 17 leaflets, and seed is also having an aril, and this species is known as Dodonia subglandulifera. So it has about 45,000 or 50,000 species individuals. Survey has taken place, and it is reported that only 50,000 individuals of Dodonia subglandulifera that is peep hill harp bush. They are present in Australian continent, and it calls for conservation. Another species which is critically endangered, that is desert harpbush, and this is named as botanically Dodonia stenozyga. Dodonia stenozyga, desert harpbush. It has the peripinnate leaves, means leaves are again compound, pinnately divided, and its number of individuals is reported hardly 50 or even less than 50, and its seeds are without aril, they are eggs arylate, and it has also been found the larval host for a puriri moth, which is Enatus virescens. Likewise, we see Dodonia having lot of usefulness in reclamation of the degraded sites. Even in our Jammu Shivaliks, this plants has been traditionally used by the foresters for rehabilitation of the degraded sites, and there is further scope for more and more seed collection and its raising in the nurseries and planting in such degraded sites which are mostly fire prone and drought prone, and where there is need for vegetal cover. This is usual shrub, and I have the association of Garna carissa opaca, Sol, Thor, Danda Thor, Euphorbia rhyliana. We find the trees like Chila, Kizeria tomentosa, Flocartia indica, Kukua, even Justicia adhetoda, Brancard, Basuti, Kali Brancard, Barleria prionatus, even Barleria dichotma, and even monsoon medicinal plant like Gloriosa superba. Even the edible Caralloma tuberculata also grows in the habitat where the Dodonia viscosa grows.